Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to withdraw rewards from Swagbucks into PayPal Cash. If you're a regular user of Swagbucks, you're probably familiar with the satisfaction of collecting points through activities like filling out surveys, watching videos, or engaging in special offers. But the real excitement comes when it's time to convert those points into real money. Today we'll explore the seamless process of transforming your Swagbucks rewards into PayPal Cash, making your online efforts truly rewarding. Let's dive into the details together to ensure you grasp every step clearly and confidently. First and foremost, the journey begins by accessing your Swagbucks account. Head over to the Swagbucks website using your preferred browser. Once there, you need to enter your login credentials to access your personal account dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you will notice a top navigation bar filled with various options. Here's where you need to focus. Find and click on the option labeled More. By doing so, you'll reveal additional options that are not immediately visible on your main dashboard. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for the Redeem Rewards option. This section holds the key to converting your Swagbucks points into tangible rewards, including gift cards, and most importantly for today's purpose, PayPal Cash. Upon entering the Redeem Rewards section, you'll notice a convenient search bar. This is where you type PayPal to filter the list of reward options. By doing this, you'll narrow down the choices to focus solely on PayPal rewards. If the desired option isn't immediately apparent, don't be discouraged. Simply click on Show More to expand the list, ensuring you view all available PayPal reward options. After you've identified the PayPal Cash reward that suits your needs, go ahead and click on it to proceed. It's crucial at this stage to carefully select the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that this amount corresponds with the Swagbucks you've accumulated and meets the minimum withdrawal requirements. With your preferred amount selected, the next step is to hit Redeem. This step is quite straightforward, but double-check everything to avoid any confusion later on. Once you have clicked Redeem, you will likely be prompted to confirm your redemption. This step acts as a final verification to ensure that you're absolutely certain about the transaction. Take a moment to review all the details before confirming. Once confirmed, your PayPal Cash withdrawal is officially in motion. Keep a close watch on your PayPal account. While the transaction may take a little time to reflect, rest assured it will be processed. And just like that, you successfully converted your Swagbucks points into usable PayPal Cash. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. That's it for this tutorial on how to withdraw rewards from Swagbucks into PayPal Cash. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.